Okay, everyone, we're back here. We've got a little bit more math. Ella is here today. All right. Yes. Oops. And Ella wants to sing you a song. Go ahead, Ella. Sing your song, please.
Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Wave hands, wave hands, wave hands with a friend next to you. Wave hands, and say how do you do?
All right. Thank you, Ella. We do have Matthew here as well. All right.
Hi.
All right. Matthew, is this how you spell your name, Matthew? That is that the correct spelling? No, it's not. Okay, well, I thought that because we're going to talk about math here, so I thought that's how you spelt your name, but it's not, huh? Okay, all right. So, all right, Matthew, we're going to ask you a question here. Ella, you can jump in too. Ella, you're 4, so I know you're probably not very strong with your math skills here. Let's ask her a quick question. Ella, what's 1 plus 1? You tell me what 1 plus 1 is?
2.
Whoa, I didn't know you could do that. All right. Matthew, how about what is 18 plus 21? Can you tell me what 18 plus 21 is? Oh, he's thinking here. He's thinking. Talk me through it, buddy. What do you think?
I add the two ones together to make a 9,
Okay.
and then I combine the two
Wow, did you hear that, everyone there? He added the ones place values together and he added the tens place value together. Wow, coming from a first grader. My goodness. All right, everyone. Well, that's your math lesson for today. Thank you very much. And we'll talk to you. Oh, what are you gonna put, Ella? What are you gonna do? Is that another math problem for us?
No.
No. All right.
No.
Okay, I think we're done here for right now, guys. We'll check it back with you here soon.
No, Dad.
All right. Hold on a
Let me
second.
do this.
Ella, you gotta press this on your